And, ladies, gentlemen, and everyone else, we are back with more Slime Rancher 2. I need to build some high walls, music box, internet, solar shield, auto feeder. By this, we put the fruits in here, like so. And then I gotta put the jelly stone. I gotta put the jelly stone in the slime science area soon. Oh, look at the old guy. We don't need all these roosters, but I suppose we can just toss some of those in real quick, can't we? And we'll come over here, and we're gonna generate the auto feeder, which we have not yet built. So boopa, bop, 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 auto feeder. Now I will fill it full of chickens. Like that. There we go, nice and good. Those guys, you'll get fed in a little bit. Auto feeder's pretty much taken care of up there. Let's drop these guys in here. Then, let's go out into... Oh, we didn't do that one. It's not the one. Check out the next place. I still got to get rid of these dumb jelly stones that they did not bring correctly with me. Let me just go do that really quick. And then I'm gonna go and feed all my new guys. Just drop those right nice good like in there. I think we're gonna need to get the stamina upgrades next. Okay. That's some kind of digital sound, isn't it? Okay, so we do like this. We go boop. And then you make some plorts. Rock slime, you eat a plort. And then I throw in like this. Go. That will be the way that we do this for a little while now. Now you turn into the big boy. Very good, very good. Now you turn into a big boy. Nice. And you. Now there's only one left in there. Oh, ouch, my life. I forgot that these guys are somewhat slightly dangerous boys. Hi, what are you doing all the way out here? This is not where you live. And I did not put you back correctly. There you go. I shot a plort somewhere, I don't remember where it went. We want the plort collector first. Like that. Now then, to do a little bit more exploring in this area. Because now that I've got a little bit more air on me... Thank you. I'm gonna try to maybe get a little bit higher up on this stuff. Give me all of that. Okay, can't go that way. Can't go that way. Love to get out to that rock. See what's going on with it. Looks like maybe there's a maximum altitude I can get to right now. Ah, come on. Further down this direction, we need how much for that? 3,500. 3,500, huh? 500, I suppose it must be then. That goes over this way. I bet you we can do something like curve around that way. Maybe there's some kind of explosive or something that I can use. Okay, made it up here. Can I make it up there? Oh. Can I make it across to that? Or otherwise to somewhere else that looks interesting? Oh no! Shoot, okay. What is this, like, weird minor key business going on right now? Not sure I like that. Give me back that stamina. Okay, doesn't look like I can stand on these bits. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So what I know is there's more stuff. Can I get up there? Exploration! There we go. We've already done you, if the universe, yeah. Now, I want to get there. Now I'm up here. You are a new research drone. Boom. Accessing GG log. I had the drones rebuild the conservatory exactly as it was before. I was so happy to see it standing there again, its glass filtering the beautiful daylight of this magical place. When it was done, for a moment I almost thought things were back to normal. I thought maybe I would just walk inside and start again like nothing had happened, and though I know that's not the case, it was still nice to finally be home again. Who are you? And what did you do? It becomes more and more concerning. Like, every time I get one of those, it's always like, everything was great until the incident. I want to get up there. So, let's do like this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this was, I suppose, not so difficult to get up onto then. That's fine. Alright. We gotta go get us some upgrades. Because my stamina runs out far too quickly. I need stamina. Those are a decent price, even if they're not, like, you know, the best ones that I've got. Okay, so we need a stamina booster. So I need more money. Alright, well, more money I suppose it must be. It's just blah blah blah. We'll go and collect us some plorts. Surely you guys have been fed by now. maybe you guys aren't getting fed enough. Gotta do that maybe a little bit faster. We can refill the carrots. No, more carrots than is necessary. That must be nice. It looks like you guys are not getting fed quickly enough either, so let's just... Oh no! Oh no! What have I done? That was wrong. That was dangerous. Wow, that could have been horrible. That could have been real bad, Scoob. Like, yikes. Okay. God, that was a little bit stressful just then. Jesus, it scared me. Okay, we'll just make some money. Yes, hello, I would like some money, please. Money me now. Me, please, money. Very much money, please, now. It's like, I would like some money. Throws some just rando plorts into the thing, immediately regrets it, douses everything with water. Oh crap, oh crap. Okay. Now let's do this one. Take everything from here. Is your auto feeder full? Not with super lots, but with perhaps enough for now. Let's pick up some blueberries as well. Delish. Might as well pick the carrots up because heck it, why not? They will go bad if we don't. You guys are being fed by... Yeah, okay. Let's put these in here for you. Take these and I'll just throw them in there real quick as well. And... I don't know what to do with these carrots for now. Let's just, stick them over there for now. It'll be fine. We'll do like this. Now let's pick up everything from in here, and we're gonna sell this and make some money. Excellent, excellent capitalism. Brilliant. Now, I've some money. Let's get some stamina. Oh, I want stamina. There we go. Now we gotta get, like, the extra stuff. Man! More radiant ore, huh? Rock plorts we can do. Tank guard. Oh, this is nice. That might be nice to have eventually, but I don't know how important it is for me right now. When's the last time I cut the episode? Look at the time. Let's leave it a little bit longer. I do not remember the last time I cut the episode, so... Does someone have news for me? It's Ogden! What's up, my guy? Hola, Beatrix. Are you there? It's me, Ogden Ortiz. I hear you're off on a big new adventure on a mysterious island filled with secrets and danger and maybe a few succulent fruits or veggies the world has never seen before. You know I had to ask. Ever since you got me a steady supply of Cucadoba fruits, I've been reaching for even greater culinary heights within the far, far range. Plus, I'm getting pretty tired of eating Cucadoba pie, Cucadoba souffle, Cucadoba pudding, Cucadoba con carne, Cucadoba con Cucadoba. I'm running out of ideas and willpower, so if you see something new, please tell me about it. Tasty treats aside, I want to know all about the new flora and fauna you discover. Never forget, every bit of this wide world is precious and worth our care and respect. And stay hydrated out there. All that adventuring will work up a sweat, so take this water tap. Portable water tap. Good luck, Beatrix. Keep me posted. I'm rooting for you. Neat. Okay, off we go again for the exploration. Where do we go? Do we want to go to the north one or do we want to go to the south one? Let's go to the south one. Might be smart just to have a couple fruits and vegetables. In case somebody is mad. This game's music is pretty decent. Go up this way, and then slip through here. I'd ought to be looking for places that I wasn't able to access before but can now that I've got the thing. Yeah. And bazoom! I was not able to go up here before. But I can now! Oh, gosh. Oh, boy, you gotta be more careful, man. Let's walk over here and see what's kind of going on. A hunter slime plort. We'll open that secret back way up, it looks like. Pogo fruits! I'll keep one meat with me as well, just in case. Rolling it out! Heck! Places to go, gotta follow my rainbow! I will not be able to make it across there even if I am high up, because my stamina is not high enough. Oh, but I can take whatever this is! Silky sand! Hey, eat this thing. Because I don't need it. It's like a little secret cave down here. It is a secret cave. I know how your secrets work. Oh, I guess it's not so secret after all, is it? Okay, there is map. Can I get to map? Oh no! A little too dangerous for my tastes, I think. Is there a way for me to get up on top of this thing somehow? Okay. Now I'm here. Can I get up any further? I definitely was not supposed to be able to clip through the wall like that just now, but that's fine. No, 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 no. Dang. What are you? Just a statue of some sort, it looks like, huh? Do I chance it? Okay, I'll take it. And kaboom! We got ourselves... Oh, there's a whole island over there with what appears to be an archway of some sort. Over here? That's the one. No time like the present. I made it swimmingly, without having to swim. Behold my powers. Seagull-looking sea hens. Now that is a useful object. And 3 of them, actually. Quite good. So what is over here? Okay. 7Z pod says. Rocks. Great, I could get rocks. Didn't know I needed or wanted those, but now I have them. Rocks! That looks like a place I might be able to get to without subjecting myself to without subjecting myself to extreme danger. Very good. But there are no new slimes over here. Honey slime? Honey slime. Already got honey slimes. So what do these do? Do these do something? And I suppose secondarily and furthermore, how do I get back to the main island? Okay. Not so bad. I only use half a tank getting there. Anything interesting? I'll need to bring a hunter slime plort with me, I guess. And that's up here. Unless there are hunter slimes in this dangerous area. That is a possibility. No, no it is not. These are not the guys that I wanted. Yow, ouch, my life. Please stop? Go away. I don't like you. Slimy, go away. I don't like you. Slime, go away. Wonderful. Delicious, delicious, wet, sandy mud. Apparently. Okay, okay. Exploration levels up. Hey, look at that. Great. Veggie slime bait. Interesting. No. You, way out there. How might one get to you? What other things than this, wet sandy slime do you offer in return? How might one get back? Silky sand! Okay, I'm coming back with a decent amount of it, so I guess that's something. Assuming I can get back, I gotta get up on top of this thing. So if I go like out and then swing back, and then I can maybe hover from here back over. This was a bad decision. This was a bad decision. There is a place for a boat. And what are you? Do we think we can make that? Oh yeah, we'll make it. We'll make it. We might just barely make it, but we have made it! Check that out! Okay, so this requires... monarch slimes, I guess? There's a lot of exploration stuff going on. A lot of exploration stuff going on. But I'm not getting much in the way of the new slimes that I would like. So what if I did... You gotta get the heck out of here. Don't do it. You're gonna do it. Someone's gonna do it, and they're gonna turn into a tar. You've got to get out of here. Okay. Oh, there it is. No tars allowed, please. Very much like to not have any tars. Okay, so this stuff is useless now. And we're gonna pick up just a ton of honey floors. Oh no, you get out of here. You guys get out of here. Will you get out of here, please? I don't want to have to deal with an international incident. Alright, here we go. You are just going to cause trouble. Please get out of here. It has begun, has it? Okay. We're going to just pick up as many of these floors as possible. Maybe we should let the tars take care of them. then that way I wouldn't have to worry about accidentally sucking those guys up into the vacuum cleaner when I'm trying to get the plorts. Good. I've got that funky chunky. Excellent. Boy. You get back to... Oh, map. Map is very important. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. Now. Hang on, what's this? Is that set of ruins? I do not have the other side of this thing open, so I have to go back through the dangerous place. Really? Where? I mean, it's fine, like... International incidents aside. Actually, why don't we go up here and see what we can... Heartbeat... Is heartbeat worth having? This is interesting. Well, I'll take the 7Z pod. Azure grass. Where am I? I need to go up north. There's where I want to go. There we go. Made it pretty far. Let's just continue on our way right the heck back. Like so. Excellent. And then we will hopefully get back to the main farmstead in the next episode. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone else, thank you very much for coming and watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, the like and subscribe buttons are waiting just below this video. You know what to do with them. You've been on YouTube before, but please actually do them, because it does help when you click the subscribe button. It helps with the algorithms and all that. I'm doing my best to, like, actually knuckle down and try to get back into this kind of jam. So, I would super appreciate it if you guys helped with the support for that too. So, yeah. No, and it's end of episode. We'll see you guys next time.